Hello, my name is Alan Clum. I'm the Operations Manager at Mount Pleasant Waterworks. I want to thank the Live See It Scholarship for providing us the opportunity to investigate technologies that we may implement here in South Carolina. We traveled down to Florida to investigate potable reuse, indirect and direct potable reuse, which both may be applicable to help us provide high-quality drinking water to our customers. As Operations Manager, it's part of my job to ensure that our customers have the quantity and quality of water that they expect into the future. This technology may help us implement tools to ensure that we have a sustainable resource. One of the great things about the trip, it allowed us to interact with other water utilities that are going through some of the same hurdles that we'll see with the regulators. How to deal with the regulators, how to understand their concerns and our needs. I think one of the things I found really interesting is when you bring all of the parties to the table to discuss the issues, you really can make progress on some of the points. Understanding that the technology is there to meet the quality needs, and understand what the regulators need to move it forward on their end.
What's up, guys? We just landed in DC on our way down to Florida, going to check out some reuse technology.
We're in Orange Country today, trying to bring back some innovative technology to South Carolina. Should be a great day.
I'm a laboratory technician here at Mount Pleasant Waterworks, and I've been with the company for 5 years now. So one part of the trip I found really interesting was actually getting to see all the nuts and bolts of the treatment process, if you will. One thing that I found really interesting in our travels was seeing the redundancy that is built into these plants. You're taking what is already a highly treated effluent leaving a wastewater plant and putting it through basically 2 drinking water plants before sending it back to the customer. So I think one of the biggest hurdles we'll have to overcome if we choose to go down the path of potable reuse is overcoming public perception. Potable reuse has had kind of a bad branding from the start. I think it's going to take a pretty big campaign on our part of just educating the public and informing them on what potable reuse is. I know even for me at first, it took a little bit of convincing and understanding the technology to trust that drinking that water is safe. Direct potable reuse and the highly advanced technologies involved, we feel like we'd be more in control of the product to ensure a high quality water is produced always.